Top 5 Study Resources for the CISA Exam in 2024. We will explore the top 5 study resources that will help you ace the CISA exam with confidence. Introduction to the CISA Exam. The Certified Information Systems Auditor (CISA) exam is a globally recognized certification for information system audit control, assurance, and security professionals. Passing the CISA exam demonstrates your expertise in information systems auditing, control, and security. Review Manual, the official study guide provided by ISACA, the organization that administers the CISA exam. It covers key concepts and topics tested in the exam, making it an essential resource for CISA exam preparation. Online Review Course. ISACA also offers an online review course for the CISA exam, which provides interactive study materials, practice questions, and mock exams to help you assess your knowledge and improve your test-taking skills. Exam Study Guide. There are various study guides available from third-party publishers that offer in-depth explanations, examples, and practice questions to help you master the concepts covered in the CISA exam. Study Apps. Mobile study apps like Pocket Prep and CISA Practice Test are convenient tools that allow you to study on the go, review flashcards, and take practice quizzes to reinforce your learning. CISA Study Videos. Online platforms offer video courses specifically designed to cover the material tested in the CISA exam. Conclusion. In conclusion, the key to success in the CISA exam lies in using a combination of comprehensive study resources that cover all the exam topics, provide practice questions, and offer interactive learning tools.